Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi tayyibina tahirin. Wassahabi ajmain. Amma ba'd. Fauzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ala inna awliyallahi la khawfun alayhim wa la hum yahzanun. Allazina amanu wa kanu yattaqun. Sadaqallahu Mawlani lazim. Respected chief guest, honorable staff, student, faculty members of Madrasa Shahe-Madina Shimoga. Good afternoon, everyone present here. Today is a proud and memorable day for all of us as we have gathered here to celebrate the first convocation ceremony of our madrasa. Shahe-Madina Shimoga. Listen verily, the saints of Allah will have no fear, nor will they be sad, those who believe and fear. Allah inna awliyallah. Listen, indeed the saints of Allah. The word wali is made from the word wila, which means closeness and support. A guardian of Allah is one who attains nearness to Allah by fulfilling his duties and is engaged in obeying Allah, and his heart is immersed in the knowledge of light of Allah. And when he sees the signs of God's power and hears Allah, listen to the verses of Almighty. And when he speaks, he should speak in praise of his Lord. And when he moves, he should move in obedience to God. And when he strives, he should strive in that work which is the source of nearness to Allah. Don't look at anyone else. This attribute belongs to the saints. When a person reaches this state, then Allah is his protector, helper, and supporter. Signs of Wali Allah. Scholars have described many signs of Wali Allah, such as Mutakallimin, that is, scholars who are expert in theology, say Wali is one who has correct and reasoned belief and performs good deeds in accordance with the Sharia. Ibn Zayd said that the guardian of Allah is one who has the attributes mentioned in the next verse. Those who believe and were righteous means to be comprehensive of both faith and piety. Some scholars said that saint is one who loves purely for the sake of Allah. This attribute of saints has been mentioned in many hadiths. Allama Nabahani, may Allah have mercy on him. The most famous book on this topic is Jami'ul Karamat-e-Awliya. In the light of words of Allama Nabahani, may Allah have mercy on him, some famous types are described here. First, poles. It is a collection of poles. Kutub is said to be one who is inclusive of both present and position as himself or someone's deputy. Second, imams. These are the gentlemen who become caliphs after the death of Kutub. Third, awtad. Their number is 4 in every era. They are not more or less than that. Allah protects each through one of them. Fourth, change. Their number is 7 in every era. They are not less or more than this. Allah protects seven great things through them. That is why they are called Abdal. I conclude my speech. May Allah bless us with good deeds. Assalamu alaikum.
Subhanallah, subhanallah.